Hello student, in previous lecture we study about the energy in SHM. Energy in SHM, if the particle performing in SHM, the particle oscillates from its mean position or its extreme position, every particle possesses kinetic energy except the particle is from its mean position. Particle from its mean position, it does not have the energy due to its rest position there, but every particle on anywhere in between m to up to n except O point, that it possesses energy. We obtain that formula for kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to half m omega square a square minus x square. The formula for kinetic energy, half mv square, v is equal to, where v is equal to plus minus omega square root of a square minus x square. Substitute that value of v and taking square on both sides, therefore we get the value of half m omega square a square minus x square. But m omega square term, m omega square, we know that omega is equal to square root of k upon m, means omega square is equal to k upon m. M into omega square is equal to k. K is equal to m omega square. Then substitute half k in bracket a square minus x square. We get the value of kinetic energy is equal to half k in bracket a square minus x square. Equation number 1. Now calculate the value of potential energy. Potential energy is equal to, potential is nothing but a work done because of the internal restoring force acts on it. Thus, the internal restoring force and displacement are in opposite direction, F and X. Therefore, that force, work, due to that force, work is done. Therefore, potential energy is equal to work done is equal to force into displacement, but internal restoring force multiplied by displacement, that displacement will be considered as dx. Therefore, by using that formula, work done is equal to force into displacement, and in total work is done, hence potential energy is equal to half k x square. Substitute the value of k. K is equal to m omega square into x square, means half k x square. Equation number 2. Adding these two equations, we get the total energy. Total energy is equal to, adding these two equations, total energy of the particle performing in SHM is equal to half k a square. Half k a square. Addition of these two, x square minus x square get cancelled. Half k term is common. Therefore, half k a square. Total energy is directly proportional to square of its amplitude. And how to show that conservation of energy? Conservation means constant. Conservation means constant. Energy is constant anywhere. Means the one form of energy is converted into another form, but total energy remains constant. Here, show that the total energy of the particle in SHM is conserved. By graphically, it shows that energy of a particle in SHM is conserved. Graphical representation is also shown and by calculation. Kinetic energy from its mean position. From mean position. kinetic energy from mean position, or kinetic energy is calculated at mean position. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to x is equal to at mean position, x substitute the value of x is equal to 0. Kinetic energy is equal to half k x square is equal to x is its value is 0. Therefore, a square minus 0 square means half k a square minus 0 square is equal to half k a square. At mean position, kinetic energy is equal to half k a square, but potential energy is equal to, at mean position, potential energy value, potential energy is equal to half kx square, substitute x is equal to 0. Therefore, potential energy is 0. Hence, potential energy at mean position is equal to 0. Adding kinetic energy and potential energy, we get the total energy. Total energy is equal to half k square plus 0 means half ka square. Kinetic energy plus potential energy, total energy is equal to half ka square. Similarly, we can calculate the value of total energy at extreme position. At extreme position. At extreme position, x is equal to plus minus a. Then kinetic energy is equal to, kinetic energy is formula half k in bracket a square minus x square. X, substitute that value of x is equal to a. X square is equal to a square. Therefore, a square minus a square, that term is 0. Therefore, kinetic energy is 0. At extreme position, kinetic energy is 0. उदाहरणार्थ तुम्ही झोक्यावर बसलात, झोका उंचावर गेलात आणि उंचावर गेल्यावर तुम्हाला असं वाटतं की तो झोका त्या ठिकाणी थांबलेला आहे, म्हणजेच काय, कायनेटिक एनर्जी इज 0. अँड ॲट दॅट टाइम पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू, potential energy is equal to half k x square. Then x is equal to plus minus a. Therefore, potential energy is equal to half k a square. Adding of these two, kinetic energy plus potential energy from extreme positions. Therefore, total energy is equal to half k a square. Total energy remains constant at extreme position as well as its mean position. Hence, total energy is constant. Hence, it shows that the total energy of a particle in SHM is conserved. Hence, total energy of a particle performing in SHM is conserved. Total energy constant, therefore, total energy is conserved. How to show that graphically? Draw two parallel lines, maximum and minimum. Graph starts from its mean position, means 0. Kinetic energy is half ka square, means kinetic energy is maximum. Kinetic energy is maximum, and at extreme position potential energy is 0. Therefore, at extreme position and at mean position. At mean position, kinetic energy is equal to half ka square, shown by that graph. Half ka square at mean position. At mean position, kinetic energy is 0. Hence, that graph curve is shown by kinetic energy. Mean position ला kinetic energy काय पाहिजे, मॅक्झिमम पाहिजे. मग ही कर्व, मग या ठिकाणी या कर्वला मॅक्झिमम एनर्जी कुठे आहे, मॅक्झिमम maximum energy. So that curve is kinetic energy curve. And the potential energy is maximum at extreme position. Potential energy is maximum at extreme position. Potential energy and kinetic energy is 0. Therefore, potential energy curve and kinetic energy curve shows that the total energy remains constant. Shows that total energy remains constant. Shown by graphically kinetic energy and potential energy. Conservation of energy. It is very important topic. Show that the energy of a particle in SHM is conserved, as well as we ask the question, total energy is directly proportional to the amplitude square. Total energy is directly proportional to amplitude square. How to show? The total energy is equal to, we get the formula for total energy is equal to half Ka square, where K is force constant, half is constant, therefore total energy is directly proportional to amplitude square. Again, third type of question will be asked. Third, total energy is directly proportional to N square. How to show that? K is equal to constant. K is called as force constant. Its value is K is equal to m omega square. K is equal to m omega square. We get the formula for total energy is equal to half m omega square into a square. But omega is equal to omega n is equal to 2 pi upon t. We know that the frequency is formula n is equal to 1 upon t. Reciprocal of period is known as frequency, and period is t is equal to 2 pi upon omega, and 1 upon t. Omega is equal to 2 pi upon t, but 1 upon t is known as frequency, 2 pi n. Hence total energy is directly proportional to the omega is equal to 2 pi n, 4 pi n square into a square, means total energy is directly proportional to n square, where n is angular frequency or frequency in of SHM. Show the graphical representation of kinetic energy, potential energy, as well as total energy of the particle from its mean position and its extreme position. We show that by graphically nature of that kinetic energy and potential energy. Write down that.